ladder. This is my second video here in Disneyland, Shanghai. So there's a store here outside called World Disney. Let's see. So ayan, nakikita na natin si Mickey Mouse. Hello, Mickey Mouse. Hello, Mickey Mouse. Daddy, I can see here. Yan. So ito yung bilihan ng mga souvenir. Look at that, MJ. That's so cool. Look at that. Okay. So we need to remove our raincoat. Mabasa sa loob.